Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 Pro, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find either Google or users and accounts. It's up to you which section you prefer. I think I would like to use users and accounts, so let me tap on it. As you can see, here we've got the section with the accounts for owner. I do have my previously added Google account saved here, but no worries, we can still start with adding another one. So let's tap on Add Account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And here we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it. And tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here we've got the info, and tap on I agree after reading. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also always remove it whenever you want to. Actually, just tap on it and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again, and it will immediately disappear. The same situation with this one. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.